Well, here it is, my new toy. My Sage by Heston Blumenthal Kettle stroke Teamaker. It's very easy to use. It's switched on at the mains, and I'll show you how I make tea in it. I've already got 750 ml of water in, which is enough for 3 cups. But as I'm making 2 mugs, I'm just making sure I've got enough. So to the 750 ml of water, I'm adding 3 scoops of tea. 2 are already in there. Then you place the lid on, secure it down, and put it into the tea maker. You've got a magnetic pole down one side which grips it. So having done that, lid on, make sure you've got it securely fastened. Then you select your tea strength, your tea type, which we are using black, but you can scroll around till you find the tea that you wish to use, in this case black. Then you pick your strength, and we are using medium, but you can choose whichever you want using this button here. When you've got everything set that you want, you just press the tea button and away you go. And if you want to stay with me for the duration, the temperature rises on the display unit here. When I am using tea leaves, as you can see, there is no mention of tea bags in there, so I've no idea what would happen if you use tea bags. But there is a handy hint in the book to tell you that used tea leaves are very good for enriching your soil in the garden. So that's one way you can dispose of them. We're now up to 30 degrees. And the water's starting to move itself. They say a watch pot never boils, but I just would like you to see what happens when we reach the desired temperature. We're almost there now. And now the basket will lower itself into the water, going down. Fascinates me, this does. There we are, clever, isn't it? Now that will sit in the water for its allocated brew time, which in this instance is 2 minutes because I've chosen medium strength. When the 2 minutes are up, the basket will then rise and you will hear a little signal that will tell you your tea is ready. All you have to do then is pour, and I can assure you it's a delicious cup of tea.